Hello first graders and welcome to Math Matters. I'm Mrs. Wolf. Today we're going to learn about money. Our learning goal for today is that you can walk away from our time together saying, I can count pennies and identify the value. For today's lesson, you will need paper, pencil or a writing utensil, pennies or anything that you can count. We'll wait for you as you gather those materials. You might want to consider drawing a 10 frame on your paper to help you with our counting today. As you are working today, you will have an opportunity to practice your communication skills by sharing your ideas through writing and working to make connections with what you read and hear throughout the lesson. In today's lesson, our goal is mathematicians communicate their ideas to count pennies and identify the value. We've been learning about money this week, and here are the types of coins. Penny, 1 cent. Nickel, 5 cents. Dime, 10 cents. Quarter, 25 cents. Today, though, we're going to just focus. Money has value. This is a penny because it is made of copper. It is brown. The value of a penny is 1 cent. This is a nickel because it is silver or gray. A nickel has the same value as 5 pennies. The value of a nickel is 5 cents. This is a dime because it is small. It is silver or gray. A dime has the same value as 10 pennies. The value of a dime is 10 cents. This is a quarter because it is silver or gray. A quarter has the same value as 25 pennies. The value of a quarter is 25 cents. Let's warm up our brains with a penny splat. How many do you see? Did you count them? I see 12. I see 3 groups in this image. There's one group up top, one group in the middle, and one group at the bottom. 3 groups of 4 pennies. 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 12. Here comes our splat. How many are under the splat? I see 4 pennies, and we know there are 12. I remember we had 3 groups of 4. I have 2 hands with 4 fingers up. I know that 4 and 4 is 8. Or maybe you subtracted. 12 minus 4 is 8. Let's find out. 8. How many pennies are in the jar? When we think about estimates, sometimes it helps us to think about what is a just right. Often in class we work to find the exact answer in math problems, but in real life we don't always need to know an exact number to answer. Many times an estimate is good enough. An estimate is an approximate or close enough answer without being exact. Sometimes we think about a too low estimate. A too low estimate might be 10. Sometimes we think about a too high estimate. A too high estimate might be 120. Make sure you write down how many pennies you think are just right in the jar. Let's dump them out and count. I wonder what we should count by. 1 cent, 2 cents, 3 cents, 4 cents, 5 cents, 6 cents, 7 cents, 8 cents, 9 cents, 10 cents. I'm going to put these in a 10 frame. That was a lot of counting, and we still have a lot of pennies if we count by one. I wonder if we should consider counting by tens, since we had 10 cents here. 10, 20 cents, 30 cents, 40 cents, 50 cents, 60 cents, 70 cents, 80 cents, 90 cents, 91 cents, 92 cents, 93 cents, 94 cents, 95 cents, 96 cents, 97 cents, 98 cents. We have 98 pennies. It is the same as 98 cents. Let's count it again. Counting is so much fun. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98. We have 98 cents or 98 pennies. I like 10 frames, but I like circling my groups of 10. Counting is so much fun, and you can use lots of different ways to organize your thinking. You could use paper and circle. You could use a cup and put them inside cups as you make your groups. You could even use different color papers, maybe some Post-it notes, whatever you have around the house. It's just fun to count. I wonder if there's any other ways to count pennies. Could we count them by fives? I really like subitizing. I'm able to pull these groups of 5 over pretty quickly. 5 cents, 10 cents, 15 cents, 20 cents, 25 cents, 30 cents, 35 cents, 40 cents, 45 cents, 50 cents, 55 cents, 60 cents, 65 cents, 70 cents, 75 cents, 80 cents, 85 cents, 90 cents, 95 cents, 96 cents, 97 cents, 98 cents. Whew. Skip counting has really helped us with money. Grab your paper and pencil. Let's try it. Let's write our numbers from 10 to 100, counting by tens. I have my paper and my pencil. I'm going to start writing 10, 20. Can you keep counting to 100 by tens? It might look like this. If you're still working, it's okay. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Let's try it. Write your numbers from 5 to 100 by fives. I'm going to grab my paper and my writing utensil. 5, 10. Continue to count to 100. If you're not done, it's okay. You can check to see what numbers you've written down, okay? Here are the numbers I wrote down. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Which is faster, counting by fives or tens? Why? I think the tens were the fastest. I only had to write 10 numbers. When I was counting by fives, I had to write more numbers. It's helpful to use skip counting when we're counting larger numbers of objects. Are you ready? We're gonna play a game. What's the value? What do you think our game might be about? I think I hear you saying money. Absolutely, we're gonna think about penny, dime, nickel, and quarter. Good luck and have fun. What's the value of this coin? Here's a picture of the front. Here's a picture of the back. The value of a coin is cents. The value of a quarter is 25 cents. What's the value of this coin? The value of a is cents. The value of a dime is 10 cents. What's the value of this coin? The value of a is cents. The value of a nickel is 5 cents. What's the value of this coin? The value of a is cents. The value of a penny is 1 cent. In today's lesson, we went over ways mathematicians communicate their ideas to count pennies and identify the value. Use your thumb to reflect on where you are in your understanding. Give a thumbs up if you feel like, I got this. A thumb in the middle if you are still practicing. A thumbs down if you would like to talk to a parent at your house or a teacher. Mathematicians can communicate their ideas in many ways. Take a moment to think about yourself as a mathematician and a communicator. Did you write to share your ideas? Did you listen and make connections to what you read or heard or you hear? Use your thumb. Thumb up, thumb in the middle, thumb down. Thank you. I wonder if you have some pennies in your house and you could practice counting. You are welcome to use cups to organize your count or different color paper or regular paper and draw circles. Thank you, first graders, for joining me in today's episode of Math Matters. I'm Mrs. Wall, and I hope you have a mathematical day and keep on counting.